Welcome class 4 in your e-learning classes. As in my last live class, I have taken some short questions which are important in the chapter and which you should have to know. So from this second chapter, I have chosen 4 or 5 questions and I will explain those and I will give those questions in the e-portal so that I am discussing one time and then you will write of your own. And if you are unable, then I will write all the answers in your e-portal. Okay, so takes ear to ear. First question, why animals have 2 ears? Why do animals have 2 ears? So we will see the question, why do animals have 2 ears? Why we do not have any? Only single ear. So the answer is what you know, lots of time we have discussed already that animals have 2 ears to collect all the vibration from all the side. Isn't it? That's why the animals who are having the position of their ears in top of their head, they can listen more than us, and some of the people who are having this type of ear, they can collect the more vibrations. So 2 ears are responding all kind of vibrations. They are catching the vibrations from the all side. Okay, east, west, south, north, any kind of direction they get all kinds of sound and they perceive all kind of vibrations as well as they can hear anything. Okay, so that is the reason we have 2 ears instead of 1 ear. Now what is the second question? We will think, what is the function of the ear? What are the functions of the ear? If we will go through, we know we talk, when we talk, so we understand the language, whatever our language is there, we communicate through our language through speaking. So for the communication, for to understand others' feeling, we have the ears, we can understand through our speaking, no? So when we communicate with each other, so we listen the things from our ear. This is the first reason. Second type of, second function is there, it balances our body. Actually, the function of ear is also there to balance our body, and third one is it catches all kind of vibrations. So all these are important functions which do by a ear. Okay, so ears are doing so many functions. First of all, we can communicate. As we are communicating the things to each other, it is coming to us and we can understand each other's language if we can hear well. And secondly, it is balancing our body. Actually, ears are also responsible to balance our body. And third function is it is collecting all kinds of vibrations. So these all are important for us because all animals cannot understand the language like us, but they can hear and they can sense the vibrations. That is the answer of the second question. Now third, give 5 examples of the animal having external ears. So, who are the animals and what are the examples of the animal who are having the external ears? So, any animal who are giving birth to the young ones who are having hairs on their body, they all possess external ear. So, we can give the examples easily. Elephant is there, horses are there, rabbit is there, buffaloes are there, cows are there, goat, dog. Every animal which are surrounding our area and which are just near about us, they all are having the external ears. So we can write easily 5 examples. Now the next question is, crocodile have ears, why we do not see them? So question 4. As we know, what is the answer? Is the crocodiles have ears, and if it is there, why we are unable to see them and why we can't see them? So the answer is any kind of reptilians, amphibians or birds. They do not possess any kind of external ear, but they have ears. So we have to write, crocodiles have ears, but their ears are internal ears. That is the reason we cannot see them, and they are having so scaly body. That's why their small holes which are present in the both side of their ears, they are being hidden by this scaly skin, and we are unable to see their holes or internal ears. Okay, now the next question, how do the skin identify different animals? How do we can identify different animals through their skin? So the question is there, how do we can identify different animals through their skin? So we can identify any kind of animals through their skin. As we know, the animal's skin form different kind of hair patterns on their skin, or the animals are having different kind of hair patterns on their skin. That is the main reason we can identify different kinds of animals through their skin, or to see their different hair patterns on their skin, we can easily identify them. Okay, so these are the reasons. The different patterns on the animals are due to their hair on their skin, and they are forming different kind of patterns. Just like yesterday we have seen this jaguars are having the spotted skin, and squirrel are having the wavy stripes, as well as zebras are having the white and black stripes, as well as tigers are having the yellow and black stripes on their body, which are formed by the hairs of the animal. Now, is the cow and buffalo having the hairs on their body? Maybe the cow and buffalo, it seems that they do not possess any kind of body hair, but when we go near to them, that time we can see that they are having the hairs on their body. If we touch them, we can feel the hairs. Yes, they have the hairs on their body. And the last question is, we will see, write the characters of the egg-laying animals. So what are the characters of the egg-laying animal? First character is, they do not possess any kind of external ears. Understood? They do not possess any kind of external ears. Secondly, they do not possess any kind of hair on their body. And the last one is, they give birth to the they do not give the birth to the young ones, they lay the eggs. Okay, and just opposite to it are the characters of the animals who give birth to the young ones. They are having the characters, they are having hair on their body, and they are having the hairs on their body, and they have external ears. So this is the difference between the ailing animals and the birth giving animals. Okay, so that's all for today. We have revised all the questions, which are the short questions, and you should know these all the points. Till that, bye. Goodbye. Have a nice day.